We get the best exposure when we involve into process, and slowly we gain experience of that, and that experience makes us ready for any kind of challenging situation. Students, your written examination of MNS is over now. You must be waiting for MNS results, and after that you will have your interview. So students, it's very important to get to know how the interview is conducted and what are the expectations of an interviewer, how you have to make your self-introduction ready. Along with that, what is reasoning ability, what are the qualities that they see in a candidate when they make decision of selection. So students, for all this you require proper practice sessions, and when you have practice sessions you get ready with the experiences. We call it mock interviews. We invite all MNS aspirants to get ready for the interview with our experts. We will be conducting your mock interviews, and we have two plans. The one plan that we have launched is the combination of 2 individual interviews and 1 panel interview. So total interviews you get 3. 2 individual interviews will let you know your beginning, your SWOT analysis, and actually the areas of the improvement where you have to get final improvement. And the panel interview will get you final exposure, will give you a confidence that you are ready for the panel interview. So students, the program that we have launched, that is of interview preparation, it is of 1,999 rupees, and this program gives you exposure to interviews and you get ready for your final interview. Students, you will have clear-cut idea with the description. The description makes you understand where you were good at and where you need to improve. This feedback is given at the end of the interview. इस फीडबैक से आप रेडी हो जाते हैं और आपको उन एरियाज को स्ट्रॉन्ग करना इजी हो जाता है जिनमें आपको इम्प्रूवमेंट चाहिए. सो स्टूडेंट्स, कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स के साथ साथ कई सारे आपके मन में डाउट्स होते हैं. विल आई हैव टू कम्युनिकेट ओनली इन इंग्लिश, और हाउ I can handle the complete mock interview with my set of skills. So mock interview से आपको आइडिया लगता है कि आपकी इनर स्किल्स क्या हैं और उनको एक्सपेक्टेड क्राइटेरिया में कैसे मैच करना है, इसके लिए आपको ओवरऑल आइडिया लगता है. So students, I invite you all to join our program and you can get ready for the mock interview. The fee that we have kept, that is 1,999 rupees, is not much. You can easily afford it, and this is just the fee that involves our precious time of our experts. That is the reason we have kept this one. And those students who feel that they need to give only one mock interview just to get an idea how the interview is conducted, so they can also take part, and this is just of 999 rupees. So here you can avail both the opportunities as per your expectation. Description will make you ready that how you have to make yourself ready for the strength and the weaknesses. One more announcement is there. The students who are in Lucknow, since we are based at Lucknow, so those who belong to Lucknow only, they can come for in person, they can come for face-to-face interview, and those who are outstationed, their interview will be conducted virtually. It will be via Skype or some other medium. So this way we will be conducting the interviews. Best wishes from Team Centurion, and get ready for your interviews. Thank you. Jai Hind.
अगर आपने सेंचुरियन डिफेंस एकेडमी के YouTube चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो अभी सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन दबाएं ताकि लेटेस्ट नोटिफिकेशंस आपके पास में सबसे पहले पहुंचे.